This habit of mentally decluttering changes how you think, feel, and decide. Here's how. When your thoughts stay in your head, they spin. But the moment you put them on paper, your brain shifts gears. Neuroscience shows journaling turns on your prefrontal cortex, your logical brain, while dialing down the amygdala, your emotional alarm system. That's why something that felt overwhelming in your mind suddenly feels manageable on the page. Thoughts stop looping into chaos and start becoming clear information. Every blank page is a fresh start, a reset. It helps your nervous system to regulate, shifts your focus to organization, and clarifies direction.